What's up, guys?
Alright, I'm fucking exhausted, and I have to say, good job, Betties. We pulled it off. That had to be one of the best fucking reactions to a video.
And I'm finally not the lone Betty anymore.
Norman's following Amanda.
I'm not all alone.
So-
All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself anymore. Okay, next.
I'm proud of everyone. We did a wonderful job. I appreciate all of the feedback and all the new followers. You guys are awesome.
Chelsea, I appreciate you for your editing expertise.
I must toot my own horn and say I'm pretty fucking awesome.
That didn't look right, but it's alright. We'll just go with it. Keep going.
What, my face or yours?
Mine.
Okay.
My hair looks.
Should be in a hair show.
I should.
Alright. So, yeah, we got kind of bored today, and in our sleepy stupor, which I haven't slept at all in the past couple of days, we were looking for something to eat. We were some hungry bitches.
Hell yeah.
So, in our quest for food, we came across some awesome goodies in my parents' refrigerator
Yep, so I decided to clean out the fridge.
because it was a science experiment in there. And I have to say, alright, none of this represents anything to do with us, not our food, not our
No.
refrigerator. This is,
No.
we were like raiding the parents' icebox. It was.
I found like chicken salad that expired in January of '04 in the cabinet.
It was like chicken of the sea, but hairy. So,
I love you.
holy shit.
We're gonna show you our science experiments. God damn.
Alright, so we got. Wow, that stinks. Alright, we've got pie crust that expired in 2004.
Just keep talking. I got this.
No, you don't.
This is it.
Oh, God. The salad, it's hard to see. It's brown and, like, it looks slimy.
Be prepared. I'm opening Tupperware.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh! I'm gonna vomit. Let me out.
Ow, 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 ow.
Don't open it again. I know how attractive that sounds. I'm so sorry. But if you just smelled what I smelled, you would know.
Do you smell what
I smell.
a cheese rotting in the fridge. Oh, this one's good.
There's more cheese in there.
This
hurts my heart.
I know we have the effects on, and one day we'll do a video that doesn't, but it's green.
I know you can't see it, but it's like almost all green.
Yeah, I'm done sticking my hand in there, dude. Yeah.
As long as I don't come across that Tupperware again.
One opened up.
What?
Oh, there's
Ooh.
yogurt, like.
Everywhere. That yogurt expired.
Oh. We're so fucking out of here.
That yogurt expired. I would like to apologize for my parents. I have like allergies and all that shit. Don't do that. You're gonna make me vomit. That yogurt expired almost 2 years ago, and I found it in the fridge. So, yeah.
And it was already opened.
It was opened.
Oh.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh.
But
I'm seeing stars. God damn it! Give me that bag.
I think we're gonna be ending this now.
Oh.
So, I would like to say goodbye, and you guys should be so lucky that you can't smell my breath.